Went out on a tool gathering mission today. Used parts washer, 20 gallon. I couldn't find a used one of these sandblasting units, so I bought a new one. Still working on cleaning parts. Picked up a new tool post. That I'm going to leave until the end after I get everything else put back together, and then I'll take that apart and clean it and do whatever's necessary to it. There, more paint stripping, just tons of it. And there's the tailstock. We stripped the paint off it. Still got a bit to go. I might just clean it up in the sandblaster and be done with it, and then figure out the paint. And while I was out shopping around, I picked up this load of tools on Facebook Marketplace. There's a bunch of tool cutting bits, and there's a live center and a couple of dead centers and boring bar. Awesome stuff. So I got that to do. But that's a bit of the update for what I'm doing here. Now I can get back at cleaning and reassembly of this stuff. Okay, thanks for watching.